House-like structure created with bamboo and dry straw for the Uroka night is known as Bela Ghar. Folks get together in sun around a bonfire and spend the night with joy and gaiety. Among several traditions, friendly stealing from neighbors' household was prevalent before. Next day morning, the Bela Ghar is put into fire, symbolizing the end of evils and beginning of a new cycle. The tradition of Assamese. Airport lo Guwahati airport lo airport చేశారు. Magha Bihu. The Magha Bihu, also called Bhogali Bihu, is a festival of food after harvesting in Assam. It marks the end of the season. The previous day of the Bihu is called Uroka. Bhogali Bihu, Uroka, is celebrated with sumptuous dinner accompanied with mouth-watering ethnic delicacies. Family and friends get together and enjoy the feast around a bonfire at the harvesting field. Very nice. Jakoi is a triangle-shaped equipment made from bamboo to catch fish. This is to catch the fish. Chepal paddaniki. Assamese women making pitha. Khaloi is used to put fish after catching. Illa fish ni vartaru. Deentlo fish pattukunnaka istaru. Deenni khaloi antaru. Okay, the Assamese women making pitha. Polo. Polo is used to catch big fish in rivers or wetlands. Polo. Pedda chepanu pattukovadaniki ee polo anadani use chestaru. Danchutundi. Assamese ladies grinding rice for pitha gudi, rice powder. బియ్యం పిండి దంచుతుంది. వెరీ నైస్. ఇదండి ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ గువాహటిలో ఈ బిహు పండుగ వాళ్ళ పెద్ద ఫెస్టివల్. దాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు. వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ నైస్.